Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use proxies in Premiere Pro to help speed up and smooth out your editing workflow. Proxies are lower resolution copies of your full resolution footage that Premiere Pro can use to edit with instead of the high resolution files. This takes a lot of pressure from the system and allows you to edit much more smoothly. So let's get started. The first step is to import your video files. You can see if I right click on the properties, you see these are the image sizes. This means this video is about 4K resolution. So if I place it right here on my timeline and play the video, you see there are some stuttering in the video. So this video doesn't have any smoother playback. So we are going to add proxies to make it much smoother than this. I'm going to delete this and the sequence as well. Now I'm going to select both of these clips that are 4K resolution and then right click on it. And here you can see there's an option for proxy. Here click on create proxies. And now in the format, select the QuickTime. And as the preset, you can select the ProRes resolution proxy. You can also use the Signform low resolution proxy as well, but I suggest you do this one. So select this one and make sure you select the next to original video file. Here click on OK. This will open up the Adobe NVIDIA encoder. This will not take a lot of your time. You see, this is just making some of the proxies for you. This took about 10 to 15 seconds. And once it is done, and it's done. So now I'll just close this. Now you can see on both of the clips, there's an option for the proxy. I'm going to select both of these and place it on my timeline. Here you can toggle the proxies. If you can't find this one, here just click this plus icon and then just click on this icon to toggle proxy. You can also add it here by simply grabbing and placing right here. I have already have this one here, so just click on OK. Now if I play the video without the proxy, you see it is stuttering right now. Once I enable it, just say this. This is just the smoothest playback you can get. And that's how you can add the proxies and make your workflow smoother and your playback smoother in just few easy steps. Proxy allow you to edit smoothly so you can focus on creative work rather than the technical hang-ups. And that's it. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.